You okay, Thomas? Can I have some help, please?
Hi, Marie.
Hiya, so just come in, he's not breathing.
We've got the
Put some
algorithm.
oxygen on.
Yeah.
Just going to suction.
So we're assessing the airway patency.
So we can't get that down.
Okay. So we haven't got a patent airway, so we need to do a tube change. You got the scissors?
The scissors.
Do you want me to cut?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Yep. So I'm just gonna see if he's breathing.
His oxygen saturations are still falling.
He's still not breathing.
Still desaturating. So should we
we'll
try and bag with the ambi bag?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. You got it?
Yeah, got a hold of the trachea.
Okay. So we're going to try and ventilate through the trachea. I'm not happy. That chest isn't moving.
So he's going to pop the small size in.
Okay.
So he's still not breathing.
It's really stiff. I don't get those. I think it's
Yeah,
blocked
should we
still.
try his
Take it out. Yeah, should we try the
upper
face?
out?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, we're going to give him 5 rescue breaths. Sats are still falling. His chest isn't moving very well. Still desaturating. I'm going to take this off and we're going to use a laryngeal mask over the stoma. Okay, Marie. I'll close the mouth and you try and ventilate the stoma. Okay, can you squeeze the bag?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like his chest's moving. His oxygen saturations are rising. Okay, so I think we're safe now.